first thing first, like I always stress, right, that when you see 1 root 3 1 to 1, you can find the exact argument. Okay, so that's the main thing. So 1 to 1 ratio 1 to 1 in terms of the a plus b, the ratio, so you can find exact argument. Quite okay, I think this question here. The first one shouldn't be too bad. So you just find what is z1. Z1 was the argument. So z1. If you can't really visualize the argument, just draw the Venn diagram. Z1. So Z1 is 2 lah. Z2, do the same thing. Modular Z2 is actually just square root 1. 1 minus 1, that will be over 4. Same thing, if you can't see the argument, just draw it out. Z2 is find Z1, Z2. So Z coordinate, mod everything. Model of Z1 is 2. 2. Z3 is 2. Okay? Not like very difficult lah. So just 1 over root 2. Then argument of Z1, Z2 just be logarithm. Okay, so you start with the argument Z1, which is 5 over 3. Z2 will be Z3. R R is the modulus. Human is R. So next one, you have a fourth complex number such as Z1, Z4, and Z2, Z3 is purely imaginary. So you know that this argument here, okay, look at that. If you want it to be purely imaginary, the nature of it is purely imaginary. So the argument of this composite compound complex number, which is like, right, add everything up, right? Purely imaginary, need it to be this axis. Okay, this is purely imaginary. Anything here which is purely imaginary, so you need it to be like this is pi over 2, then you just keep adding k pi. You keep adding 180 degrees. So that's That's how you think about it. Okay. Shouldn't take too long in exam for this question, I think. So this is pi over 2 plus k pi, where k is a integer value. Okay. So this will be argument z1, argument z2, z4, minus argument z2, minus argument 3. So this is like logarithm, exactly like log. So what we need now is to find the argument of z4. Okay. So z1 just now what we found was pi over 3, pi over 3. Argument z4 is here. Argument z2 is negative pi over 4. Argument z3 pi over 6. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. So once done, just take all of them add up. So 1/3, 1/4, 5 over 12. Okay, 5 over 12. Okay, there you go. These are all the possible values. So find a possible value of z4 in the form of this one. Where r, so you need it to be between pi over 2 and pi. R, of course, R, to find the R shouldn't be an issue because modulus of this is equals to 1. So I'm going to do that. Modulus of z1, z4, z2, z3 equals to 1. So z4 would just be modulus of z1 is how much? Modulus of z1 is, it's just root 1 over root 2. Right? Okay. Then I could have used the previous part. I didn't realize that I can use the previous part. But I could have used the previous part for this part here. Because z1, z2. Didn't see that. So this is using the previous part. What I will do is this whole thing here. Argument of z1. Okay. Then this will be 5 over 12 pi. It's the same lah. Then there you go. Because argument pi z4 has to be between minus pi and pi, right? So this case here, what I'll think is you need to use your calculator if you want to lah, but if you don't use also can. You actually can just observe. This is 1/12 plus k. This is 1 over 12 plus k, which is x, right? This is integer value here. The only two which will give you within the the, what do you call it? The principal argument is these two here. 1 over 12 and minus 11 over 12. Okay. Only these two is like between. So 1 over 12. Okay. I think this is pretty okay.